Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve, and today I'm here with you guys. So today we are doing makeup. As you can see, makeup. So today we are doing a review of a very nice brand, guys. So keep it locked as you see how it goes. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. Yes. And to my amazing subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You have been amazing. So yes, let's continue with the same spirit. So let's get straight to the video and see how we did this, and let's see how the makeup products are. So guys, today it's all about makeup. So there's this beautiful package here that I received from Divas Cosmetics. It has all these, guys, all these for me. Woo, these are the powders. They sent me different shades so that I can choose my shades, guys. How cool is that? And again, the foundations, they have these foundations here. Yes. So, and something else here is this one here, the mascara. Whoa, looks good. I love the package. Their package is awesome, guys. Look at that. Look at the powders. And if you can see inside, it's like this. Wow, I love their packaging. So we are going to review these, guys. This is their foundation. This is how it is. Wow, the packaging is amazing. I love, and I got 4 different shades of this. So I'll be testing my color off camera, then I see which one is my shade. Yeah, they are 4, so I have to get my right shade. So, and the mascara, let's see how it is inside. Wow, I love their packaging, guys. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's do this, guys. Let's review this. You all know that I have been using Divas Cosmetics products. That is the lippies. Even I have applied their primer. Their primer is amazing, guys. Their primer is amazing. I have already done that, and it gives you a very smooth texture when you want to apply your makeup. This is their primer, guys. You can see it's almost finished. I love it. I really love it. So this is how their packaging is. So I've been using this for the longest time, and I have been using their lippies. Their lippies last all day long and they don't transfer, guys. I love their lippies. So let's start with the mascara, guys. As you can see, I have already done my eye makeup, so I'll go ahead and apply the mascara. I love their packaging, guys. Look at that.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not.
Wow, guys, see that difference from this? These are my natural lashes, so you can see the difference. This one already have added a lot of volume. See that, guys? I don't know whether you can see the difference, but the difference is so huge. Wow, let me do this other one. I love it.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
We with this you don't even need the eyelashes. See that? I love that volume. Wow, I love it, guys. Wow, this is the deal now. This is it. Wow, I love my eyes. So let's proceed and move on to the foundation. For the foundations, they have different shades. There's amber, there's diamond, there's caramel, there's honey. So you're gonna choose your shade, guys. I think there are many more shades even than this. Yeah, so they sent me these, guys, and I can see my real shade is this one here, caramel. I love this shade, so I'll try this one.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. And we slow down. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on.
Guys, look at that glow. Wow, I love. See that? See my forehead, see my cheeks. And I haven't applied any highlighter, guys, just the foundation. This is amazing.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
So now I'll go straight to review this powder here. Yes, so this is the box here. Let's see how it is. So this is honey. I've chosen honey because I love bright powders. So among the four, I chose honey. There's amber, there's topaz, yeah, there's diamond. So I've chosen honey. So let's go ahead and see how this is. Wow. Look at that, guys. It makes the finishing so easy. So I will always use this as my finishing powder. It's amazing, guys. I love it. Wow. I love this look, guys. This is the finished product with the powder, guys. Yes, and I said I used this powder here in the shade Honey. Yes, it's called Flawless Fix Powder Foundation.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it.
This is my final look. See that, guys? See that glow? Wow, wow. So from now on, I'll be alternating with black opal. You know how I love black opal foundation, but I'll be alternating with this Divas Cosmetics because I really love this look. So I love their foundation, I love their powders, I love their lipstick, guys. So, and I still used their lipsticks here. So this is what I used. This is in the shade Spice It Up. So I did that off camera because today we were just doing the review of the foundation and the powder and the mascara. So that is what I did on camera, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. What do you think about this look? Comment down below. Yes.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow